In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide posts in your LinkedIn feed. This is a great way to make sure that what you're seeing is both relevant and engaging to you. Let's dive right in. First, let's head over to LinkedIn. Open up your preferred web browser and type in linkedin.com. Once you're there, you'll need to sign into your account. You have a few options here. You can log in using Google, Microsoft, or simply by entering your email address along with your password. If you've set up two-factor authentication for additional security, LinkedIn might ask you to verify your account. This will be done using a code sent to your phone, so make sure you have it handy. Just enter the code to proceed. Now that you're logged in, let's focus on the real task at hand, tailoring your feed. As you scroll through your LinkedIn feed, you'll likely come across posts that seem irrelevant or uninteresting to you. When this happens, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the post. You'll notice a small icon that resembles three dots. This icon is often referred to as the More icon. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu with various options designed to help you manage your feed. From this menu, seek out and select the option labeled Not Interested. This choice allows you to filter out content that doesn't quite align with what you're looking for in your professional feed. Once you click Not Interested, LinkedIn will prompt you to provide further feedback by asking why you don't want to see this particular post. You may find several reasons listed, such as the content is irrelevant, you've seen it too often, or perhaps it seems too promotional. Choose the option that best describes your reason for wanting to hide the post. After you've made your selection, click on Submit. This step is not just about hiding the post, it's vital because it also informs LinkedIn about your content preferences. This way, LinkedIn can modify and improve your feed to better fit your interests in the future. And just like that, once you've submitted your reason, the post will be hidden from your feed and it won't appear again. And there you have it. With just a few simple clicks, you've made your LinkedIn feed more tailored to your professional interests. This method is a wonderful way to ensure the content you come across is both engaging and useful. Remember, staying in control of your feed can not only make your LinkedIn browsing more enjoyable but also helps you focus better on the content that truly matters to you. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this helps make your LinkedIn experience even better.